One more. I mean, I just had my lunch at this place called Hotel. I had some 3 to 4 meal dosa and a plate of mango buns. It was good. I see a BMW GS coming that way. No, not BMW, it's a Suzuki Wisdom. Sun, I believe. Okay, let's start. I just found a small stream flowing nearby. Let me show it to you. First, let me take my bike down. And here it is. Oh, it is beautiful. Look at that. Okay, see here. This is very big compared to the one I saw the previous ride near Devaramane. Beautiful. Very, very beautiful. Woo! Look at the valley there. Amazing. This is why I come to Charmadi. I mean, every time I come, any season it may be, never fails to give us some mesmerizing views. I kept the lens in super view, that's the reason this might be looking little, I mean like kind of diminished but not. Let me take a video on my phone and then post it. Whoa! Look at this! Look at this! Look at this! Woo! So many bikers. Look at this, look at this, look at this. Okay, oh. Each and every curve has a waterfall. I got my bike on a steep like curve, I see a waterfall, stop, take a photo, take a video, and then cover the distance of 30 kilometers in a day, I believe. I guess I spotted a waterfall, a big one. Oh, look at that! Look at the waterfall! Notably a big one. See that? Man, I said to you, Charmadi never fails to mesmerize anyone. Look at that. Look at how big is that waterfall. And down below there's a small one. And here's the valley. There's a temple over there. There's a waterfall, significantly big, and a small over there. Beautiful valley. Oh man. Beauty of Western Ghats. the same waterfalls. Look it from the top. Look at it, look at it, look at it. Woo! So good, amazing. Look at one more. I mean, how many you want? I can show you hundreds of waterfalls in this Charmadi section. Splendid, wonderful. Okay, let's get back on the road again. Waterfall over here. Ooh. But the only thing to take care of is ride slow. Also make sure that when you come on corners, do not clutch and brake suddenly, because there are high chances of there's a high chances that your bike might get skid and fall apart. Telling you because I had this experience and the pain is really bad, especially when the 200 kg metal machine falls on you and yep, there you go, nothing. See the beauty of Charmadi. This, my god, feels like someone has carved so perfect. Look at this. I take a turn, park my bike over there, then I take a photo. Ha ha ha. Look at this. Look at one more. one more. So much waterfalls on the way. I mean, to cover this ghat section of around 28 kilometers, I guess I need 3-4 hours if I keep on watching all these falls, stopping, taking photos of all these things. But everything is worth it. That's the reason I said Charmadi makes you mesmerized through its beauty. God. See this small waterfall coming from there. My God, so good. Look at that. Now the valley slowly gets covered by fog. It's amazing. I mean, really amazing.